Hi everyone, how are you today? In this video, we are going to learn about travel and transportation. And also, we'll talk about there is or there are. Well, look at the transportation here. There are some kinds of transportation. Ada beberapa jenis transportasi ya di sini. The first is, yang pertama adalah land transportation, water transportation, and air transportation. Ya, ada transportasi darat, ada transportasi air, kemudian ada transportasi udara. Oke, langsung saja kita lihat contoh-contohnya ya. Yang pertama adalah land transportation, ya, transportasi darat. Contohnya adalah car. My father drives a car to work every day. Kemudian ada motorcycle. He enjoys riding her motorcycle. Kemudian ada bicycle. Contohnya adalah riding a bicycle is fun. Kemudian ada bus. The school bus picks up the children at 7 a.m. Selanjutnya ada train. Contohnya adalah the train departs from platform 4 at 9 a.m. Kemudian ada subway. I take the subway to get the city center. Kemudian ada tram. The tram is convenient way to travel within the city. Kemudian ada lagi taxi. I took a taxi to go to the airport. Nah, contoh selanjutnya ada van. We took a van for our road trip. Nah, kemudian ada truck. The delivery truck carries package. Kemudian ada tractor. Farmers use a tractor to plow the fields. Kemudian ada fire engine. The fire engine rushed to the fire scene. Contoh selanjutnya adalah water transportation, transportasi air. Contohnya ada boat. We took a boat ride on the lake. Kemudian ada ferry. The ferry transported us to the nearby island. Kemudian ada canoe. They paddle their canoe down the river. Kemudian ada ship. The cargo ship carried goods across the ocean. Nah, selanjutnya ada yacht. They sailed their yacht along the coast. They sailed their yacht along the coast. Kemudian ada sailboat. The sailboat glides smoothly on the water. Kemudian ada submarine. The submarine explored the depth of ocean. Kemudian ada jet ski. He rode a jet ski at the beach. Kemudian contoh dari air transportation, transportasi udara. Contohnya adalah airplane. Ya. We flew to Paris on an airplane. Helicopter. The helicopter arrived to rescue the hikers. Kemudian ada balloon. We enjoyed a balloon ride over the countryside. Kemudian ada glider. He pilots a glider through the mountains. Kemudian ada jet. We travel on a jet to Kota Kinabalu. We travel on the jet to Kota Kinabalu. Kemudian ada seaplane. Seaplane. The seaplane touched down on the lake. The seaplane touched down on the lake. Kemudian ada rocket. Rocket. The rocket carried astronauts to the moon. The rocket carried astronauts to the moon. Kemudian ada hang glider. Hang glider. She enjoys hang gliding on weekends. She enjoys hang gliding on weekends. Nah, sekarang kita akan belajar tentang there is dan juga there are. There is dan juga there are ini memiliki arti yang sama ya, yaitu ada. Namun digunakan dengan cara yang berbeda ya. Contohnya di sini di tabel pertama ada there is dan juga there are. Nah, perbedaannya ada di a dan juga to ya di sini ya. Kalau menunjukkan satu benda setelah there is diikuti oleh satu benda saja, maka tinggal ditambahkan a atau an, tergantung dari benda tersebut ya. Contohnya, there is a pen on the table, berarti hanya ada satu pen di atas meja. Kalau ada lebih dari satu pen di atas meja, you can say there are pens on the table. There are pens on the table. Ada s-nya di sini, pens, ada s-nya. Kalau dua pen berarti there are two pens on the table. Ya, dan seterusnya. Nah, bagaimana kalau tidak ada apapun di atas meja? You can say there are not any pens on the table atau there aren't any pens on the table. Gitu ya. Kemudian bagaimana kalau kita ingin bertanya apakah ada pen di atas meja? Nah, you can say is there a pen on the table? Apakah ada pen di atas meja? Nah, ini menunjukkan satu ya, is there a pen on the table? Kalau ada, you can say, kalian bisa menjawabnya, yes, there is. Yes, there is. Kalau tidak ada, no, there isn't. Atau no, there is not. Gitu ya. Sama juga dengan penggunaan are there. Are there pens on the table? Apakah ada banyak pen di atas meja? Apakah ada dua pen di atas meja? Nah, kalau iya, you can say, yes, there are. Yes, there are. Atau kalau tidak ada, no, they are not. No, they are not. Atau disingkat dengan no, they aren't. Ya, singkatannya seperti itu. Nah, ini juga ada contohnya ya. Di sebelah kanan, there is a car in the park. There is a car in the park. Berarti hanya ada satu mobil di taman ya. There is a car. A car berarti hanya ada satu. Kemudian di sini ada dua gambar ya. Ada vans. Berarti there are two vans at school. There are two vans at school. Vans-nya ditambahkan s karena di sini ada dua ya, lebih dari satu, jamak. Kemudian ada lagi, ini ada 4 ya, ada 4 perahu. Kalian juga bisa menggunakan some, tidak harus berbentuk angka tapi bisa menggunakan some. Contohnya, there are some boats in the riverbank. There are some boats in the riverbank ya. Ada 4 perahu di tepi sungai. Oke, semoga bisa dipahami ya. Oke ya, sekarang ada dialog at the bus stop ya. Sekarang mari kita ucapkan bersama-sama ya. Setelah itu nanti kita akan berlatih mengerjakan soal pertanyaan berdasarkan dialog ini ya, antara Lisa dan John. Nah, silakan nanti kalian juga bisa mempraktekannya dengan teman kalian. Oke, kita mulai ya. Are you ready? Okay. Hey John, look at the bus stop. Hey John, look at the bus stop. What do you see, Lisa? What do you see, Lisa? There is a red bus over there. There is a red bus over there. Yes, I see it. And there are some people waiting for the bus. Yes, I see it. And there are some people waiting for the bus. That's right. There are 5 people waiting. That's right. There are 5 people waiting. Oh, and there is a taxi too. Oh, and there is a taxi too. True. There is a yellow taxi next to the bus. True. There is a yellow taxi next to the bus. It's a busy stop. It's a busy stop. definitely there are always many vehicles here. Well, that's the end of our lesson today about travel and transportation. I hope you can learn this well, and we can meet again in the next video, and see you. Bye bye.